Welcome to the Own Your Family, where real stories and proven formulas are shared about leaving the rat race so you can achieve freedom and spend more quality time with your family. Get ready, mompreneurs and dadpreneurs, to get inspired by earning from home, living healthy, and aspiring for more in life with your hosts, Renat and Katrina.
What cryptocurrencies can you invest in to build up assets for your family? Hello, this is Renat from the Own Your Family. Today I will dive into the cryptocurrencies and how you can build up some assets, some wealth with investing in cryptocurrencies. I'm not a trader in cryptocurrencies. I also have no tendency to explain in this podcast to how to trade in cryptocurrencies, but I do believe in building up assets, something of value for the long term and the future. Today I will talk with you about how I look to cryptocurrencies and how you can look to them as assets based on the WISE rating, one of the informative websites about cryptocurrencies and other investments that I consult to make decisions for our family what cryptocurrencies to invest in. This talk is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor to tell you anything where you should invest in, but I like to share with you how I come to look to cryptocurrencies as a good investment for the future. First of all, cryptocurrencies for why is it an asset? I look to it as an asset because cryptocurrencies, the ledgers, the technology will be used in the decennia and the generations to come. I was part of the generation where the internet did entrance, where all documents and all files became digitalized. Well, this time this generation will see everything even more digitalized into cryptocurrencies and ledgers from all different technologies. The technology and the different cryptocurrencies refer to different ways of communicating in a digital space and how to do transactions much faster, much more reliable, and how to exchange the valuable information that banks or other companies need to know what person A or B wants to do with their purchase or with their trade. So that's the first thing. Cryptocurrency for me is the future. Not all cryptocurrencies. There are fake ones. There are too many. Not all will survive. Not all will become as big as Bitcoin is now. No, but it is the future. That is one of my premises, why to invest in it. Yes, cryptocurrencies will also be volatile, so you have to study it a bit. You have to learn and educate yourself, and the WISE rating is one way for me to see what is a trustworthy cryptocurrency and where can you invest in. Secondly, cryptocurrencies and assets, you can earn money with trading, you can earn big money, but it's not the purpose of this talk and not the activity that I am much involved in. Cryptocurrencies, the purpose is to buy them as low as you see fit with your budgets and with your strategies of buying, but you buy them and you hold them. So let's dive into some of the cryptocurrencies that here the WISE rating is giving a good score. Check out their websites, it's very informative. They work with their own rating system, and it's a rating system that I came across while for the past few years when I'm studying cryptocurrencies. There is a lot of information. Sometimes it's hard to find a place who is talking about all different cryptocurrencies. Some websites or some of those newsletters that I receive in my mailbox are focused on certain niches of the crypto space, or they are focused on certain technologies. The WISE rating, I like that they have a rating system. It's their own rating system, and they have a lot of they cover a big amount of the cryptocurrency space so that you can have an idea. Probably if you talk about cryptocurrency, one that is always coming to the surface is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like the one, the spear, at the tip of the spear, the one who is ruling the movements in the cryptocurrency space, and followed by Ethereum. Not for nothing, you see to the pricings, you see how the technological adoption and the market performance is performing. So yeah, you can think now, okay, am I too late for Bitcoin or for Ethereum? Depending on your strategies, you have to make sure what your goal is. But Bitcoin is expected to keep performing good. The technology keep evolving and the market keep evolving. Of course, there's always regulations and change. There's no future. No way to know what it will be in the future, but there are people who are expecting that the Bitcoin will has a long future, even like that 10x this amount, not next year, but in the long run. For me, that's it's always good to have a cryptocurrency who is adopted by the market, who is really already a lot of assets are involved here. Ethereum is the other player where already a lot of assets are involved and where a lot of people already putting their trust in the coin. So not only is it a good technological adoption, so to see how well the technology is performing, but it's also a lot of people are involved in already. So that's how the price come to be. A lot of more less known cryptocurrencies for the average people, but they're still big names around here. Chainlink, Polygon, Cardano are a few of those that you can trade on the bigger cryptocurrency platform, and where I myself took already a look at an investment position. There are many others that you can take a look at, and where I looked at, but who are not always yet taking a position. With those positions, you can build up many strategies. You can divide your investments in small amounts, like put them in all different ones, or you can take higher positions in one or another. I went for the later, that a few coins I have a bigger position, and other coins I have a smaller position, and there are still coins that I didn't buy any position yet. It's all about what your strategy, how you like to behave your strategy. Here, if I go over the curve, the Cardano is a promising one. Of course, I just will go over the B ratings. That there are a few more. The Litecoin Polkadot is a known one, and then do you have the Ripple Stellar? Ripple, very unknown one. The coin that is focused on financial system and financial transactions. The coin that the Ripple Net or the Ripple company. There's some other company behind the Ripple coin who is now the coin where they make financial regulations around, like how a coin should behave and should not behave. So more to expect from this coin. The Stellar is also a coin related to different transactions, and then you have another one the Uniswap, that you can always check. So if you look to the pricings, it can be kind of challenging to see that one Bitcoin price today here is 39,000, and then there are other coins who are very good rated, like here the Polygon. It's like less than $1.50 to buy one Polygon or Matic coin. The Cardano, you still can buy the Cardano under $1 a coin. Same for the Ripple here today, and then you have less than $2 for a Stellar. So some coins are very high rated and are not expensive, and that's part of the strategy that I like to follow, is that you don't need to have the $40,000 to buy one Bitcoin. You just can go and buy some assets for the long term, so for my lifetime, for my children's lifetime, for assets that companies are using that you can buy now for a few $100 or a few $100 investment. You can buy some position in these coins. Of course, the higher your budgets in your investment portfolio are, the higher the budgets you can allocate to cryptocurrency. But that was a bit about my talk for today. For building up assets, it's a way to look to cryptocurrency, like looking to cryptocurrency a part of the future, buying assets as part of your asset plan in your family to buy and hold. And that you don't need to have big budgets to start buying some of these cryptocurrencies who are here by the WISE rating, proven or tested or evaluated, assessed. Yeah, that's I think it's an assessment system to show which coins that WISE rating saying this is a good tech adoption rate, this is a good market performance rate, without looking to the thousands of coins who are maybe scams, maybe falling in the next few years, and then you have the risk of losing all your money. With these B-rated coins, you can build up some assets in your family. That's all for today. More to come. Let me know what you think about in the comments. Then we can go deeper into cryptocurrency or some other wealth and assets tools and systems for the family. Bye.
Thanks for listening. Join our online family by signing up for your free account at www.ownyourfamily.com and begin your journey to freedom. Want to get there faster? Book a strategy call with us at ownyourfamily.com/book a call. As always, be sure to leave a rating and subscribe to our podcast and channel so you never miss a future episode.